Hello and welcome. In this video we will see how to create custom inquiry type and custom inquiry subtype. This is the first screen that you see when you log into the system. Let's go to the inquiry. I clicked on the inquiries and this is where you go. In the inquiries, if you start creating a new inquiry, like when you click on the new inquiry, that is when you would see the inquiry types, which is shown here in the inquiry type. If you have to customize your own inquiry type, what you do is you have to select, like, if you have an inquiry of a family case or deportation case or what other case type or inquiry type you have. Here I also have some test types just to demonstrate how you can create new types. Okay, to create any new type, what you do is you go to settings. In the settings, I'm gonna go here. In the settings, you see the custom inquiry type settings. You click on this and this is where you land. Here we have the global inquiry types here, and any inquiry type that you have in your system, in your account, these are the inquiry types you see. Okay, these are all included in this account. Let's say I want to create a new inquiry type. Let's do it test 123, just an inquiry type. Again, it could be whatever inquiries that you handle, that is the name of that inquiry, and you say submit. The inquiry type is added and you will see that refresh here in a bit. You see that refreshed here. When you go back to your inquiry, create new inquiry, when you create a new inquiry, or if you refresh the one which is already in progress, which is not yet saved, you would see that inquiry type show up here. Okay, now inquiry subtype is the status of the inquiry, and then you want to have a subtype of this inquiry which says that a sub status, like if this is an urgent inquiry, or you have this inquiry from a person who is out of state or out of country, or any other subtype that you want to put in, you can do that as well. You can customize this chart as well. To do this, you go to the settings. Here in the settings, you have an option here. Do you want to access the module for inquiry subtype? You click on this. If you do not want to see this subtype, you can turn it off from this screen. You can turn it off and it will not show the subtype. If you want to see it, you will go to this button and this is where it will go, and here you can add a new subtype. All you do is you create a subtype, and when you create, I'm gonna say test 321, and this is the subtype you will see added to your custom inquiry status subtype. So it is something that if you want to track it to that granular level, you have that option. Now when I go here, just refresh it and you would see that show up in this inquiry subtype. Here when you go, you see that automatically show up. Okay, thank you very much.